whole set of ideas in the hot tubs or around the seminar discussion table at Berkeley Laboratory. How do you get the word out beyond this very immediate Bay Area locale? That was, physicists would say, non-trivial. The main workhorse of a journal, our much beloved Physical Review, had literally banned articles on the philosophy or interpretation of quantum mechanics. It's a formal ban. The longtime editor, Sam Gouchschmidt, a great physicist and a great editor, he had no patience for these things. Not just the Uri Geller stuff, even for things that Niels Bohr himself had published on in the Physical Review in earlier years. He drew up a special sheet of instructions for referees. If a paper looked like it might sort of smell the wrong way, this looks like it's too philosophical, he would send it out for review with this extra special sheet of referee instructions saying, feel free to reject this, hands down. No need to just justify it. Tell me if it falls in this category. That's how formal the ban was into the early mid-1970s at the Physical Review. So this new material got shunted into rather unusual forums. One of them was a kind of underground newsletter, mimeographed, hand-typed and mimeographed, circulated by a Swiss-based foundation. The letter is called Epistemological Letters. This is where John Bell had to publish some of his follow-ups on Bell's theorem, right, into the early and mid-1970s. Some of those articles were later republished when Bell's theorem became a big deal and physicists were embarrassed. They had to put it in this sort of trashy newsletter. But that's where Bell had to publish some of his work, some very renowned physicists and philosophers, and, in some instances, members of this discussion group. So in